This video is sponsored by uPresenter, an AI-powered platform for interactive e-learning presentations and quizzes. Besides the clever AI assistant, uPresenter is unique in the AI market for the various built-in interactive questions and detailed report tracking ability. Sign up now and explore many other superior features of uPresenter AI.
Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will show you how to create a presentation using AI with uPresenter, a powerful platform for those of you who want to create presentation, quizzes, generate images, and text-to-speech, stuff like that. Okay, so this is the homepage of uPresenter, and I already logged into my account. So first thing first, if you want to create a presentation using AI, you need to click this button. Okay, by the way, they have different options for you also. If you want to create from blank project, you can select this button, and if you want to import PDF, Word file and PowerPoint file, Excel file, stuff like that, or plain text, you can just click here at the import button and then click import with AI, and then you can select a file on your computer. Okay, but for this tutorial I will show you how to create with AI. So we want to click here at the create with AI. So this is the button when you want to start making presentation. By the way, if you have friends who want to use this application, you can just click here, refer a friend. Okay, and then you can copy the link and share with them. By doing this, you can get more credit for your account. For example, I have more than 200,000 AI credit because I share this application in my Facebook group and also in my Vietnamese channel. Okay, so you can do the same. Just click here, copy the link and share it. Just put it in the description. Okay, so if you want to make a presentation, you want to click here, create with AI. Okay, and next up, you want to have the presentation title. For example, I can have a top 5 best free screen recorder for Windows 12. Okay, so at the description, I can input more information for the AI to understand about what I'm going to create. Okay, so let's say OBS Studio, Active Presenter, CAMTASIA, Screen Pan, and Loom. So these are the screen recorder that I want to recommend in my presentation. And next up, you want to select the content option. They have slides, quizzes, and slides and quizzes. Okay, so for this tutorial, I will select slide. And for the language option, you can set it auto, or you can just click here and change the language to English. And then you want to generate an outline. Okay, so generate outline. Okay, so this is the outline, and for this outline we can customize it. For example, I can delete this section with this button. I can add more section here. By the way, I think the outline is okay. Introduction to screen recording, overview, and OBS, Active Presenter, CAMTASIA, Screen Pan, Loom, and comparison, and also use cases. Very good. And conclusion. Okay, so I think it's good. So now the next thing, we need to select a theme or a template for our presentation. So they have 6 templates here. By the way, you can click this button to view more. Okay, so and we have many templates to select. For example, I can find the template down here, this one, this orange one. So I can select it and use the template. By the way, you can scroll down here to see all the slide, all the design slide here. Okay, so we can click here to use the template, and it will use this template. And next up, you want to click here, generate the presentation, or you can regenerate the outline if you want. By the way, it will cost 5 credit. Okay, for the presentation, it will cost 50 AI credit. So just click here, generating content, and wait a few minutes. Let the magic do the thing. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up. Okay, so after about 20 seconds, we have a presentation like this. Very beautiful, and so many information here. By the way, if you want to edit any part of the presentation, it is possible with all the toolbar here on the left side. For example, you can change the design of a slide like this, like this. You can change the design of the slide with the templates and layout here, and you can also create with AI. And for adding text, you have some text option here. For the element, you can add shape, button and icons and graphic, thing like that. And for media, you can insert a video, image, text-to-speech, and you can even record your own audio. Okay, so for the question, they have 11 types of question and they are adding more. So if you want to create a question or quizzes for your student, you can do it right here. For example, I can simply add a short answer question here. So we have the type of question here. You can type who is Jackie Nguyen. For example, this is a question, and then we can submit. So when you present, your student can answer your question. He is a famous YouTuber. And for the animation, you can select the animation for your slide and elements. For example, you have entrance effect and exit effect for the element here with the text and shape. You can even change the theme. And if you want to set the score and report, you can go to this section. So completion criteria, value and condition. Okay. By the way, there are some more information here in the slide. You can edit also. For example, if you are not happy with the image here, you can regenerate with the AI image here. Okay, so we can enhance the prompt and select a model here. I will select this one and generate. It costs 20 AI credit. It will create a new image and replace this one. Okay, I think this image is nice. And even for the title and the text here, you can use AI writing. So you correct your paragraph here also. Okay, so this is for the slide. And there are many other editing tools right here. By the way, if you want to run the presentation, you can just click here at the present button. Okay, and select from beginning. Okay, and this is our presentation created by AI. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So that is how to create a presentation using uPresenter. But if you want to generate only image or only voiceover, you can do it here also. For example, if I want to generate an image, I can just create a blank project here. I can select any theme. Okay, so next step, if I want to generate an image, I need to go to the media, and then I can select image here. So this is the AI image generator. I can select it, and now I can type here a man working with computer, stuff like that, and I can click here to enhance the prompt, and then I can select style. So normally I will select photography for a real life man. Okay, and for the aspect ratio, I can select 16:9, and for the model, I can select my favorite model, that is Flux Pro 20 credit. I also use Imagine 3 20 credit to generate image. By the way, sometimes it causes error, so I normally use Flux Pro. Okay, and then I can click generate to get the image. Okay, a man working on a computer. I think that's beautiful, right? And if I want, I can download this image onto my computer. Just select the image here, and then we have a download button here. Download the image. By doing that, I can use this image for my video. Okay, and if I want to generate another image, I can duplicate this slide. Okay, select here and duplicate the slide, and then I can select the image again and go to AI image again. And now I can select a woman posing on the street of New York, for example, and enhance the prompt. Okay, and for the other thing here, I can keep it and generate. Okay, that's so nice. So I can download this image also. By the way, we can crop to shape here, and we can remove the background here, and we can correct the image here. So that is the AI image in uPresenter. I also use it to generate image for my video, and it is free to use with paid model inside. Okay, and another thing here, which is the text to speech. So it is in the media folder. So if you want to generate text, okay, to voiceover, you can say, hello, my name is Jackie, how are you? Okay, so this is a text. By the way, you can input maximum 4,000 words here. So we can select a voice here, Aloy, and we can review him also.
Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence.
Okay, and we can select the voice here. This is the voice actor, and we can select the theme for his voice. For example, energetic or friendly, sincere or professional. So we can go with friendly. And then we can create speech. And it will create an audio file here. Okay, so this is the audio file. We can click here
Hello,
to play.
my name is Jackie. How are you?
And if you want to download this audio file, you need to click the present button. Okay, from current slide.
Hello, my
And
name
then
is Jackie. How are you?
You have 3 dot button here. Just click it and download it. So this is how to download the audio. By the way, maybe in the future they will improve this feature. It's better to have the download button right inside here. So maybe we can just right click at the audio file here so we can download the audio. Alright, so I think that's enough for today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to try uPresenter, just go ahead to the link in the description. If you like the video, just hit the like button. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.